Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can log in your Facebook account on PC. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Facebook app on your PC. If you didn't download it, download it for you, or you can simply do is open up any browser that you like and then open new tab and then search over here Facebook, and you can simply do is click on Facebook login and sign in, and it's gonna be comes in this Facebook login page. For that I have to log out this. Once you comes over here, you will see this option over here, like login, or like you can simply enter your Gmail and email that you have linked with your Facebook account, or phone number that you have linked it, or you have to simply type over here the password of your Facebook account and then simply click on login. So to do this, I have already over here attach it, and you have to do is simply type over here your email or Gmail that you have linked and then click on over here login, and it's gonna be login your account on Facebook. So as you can see, this account is logged in. So you can simply do as well over here to use your Facebook account on PC as well, and that's it. That's how you can log in Facebook account on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.